Welcome to this channel, and let us look at this question on laws of logarithms. Evaluate 27 to the power log to base 3 of 2. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this be the case where you have n raised to the log to base n of b, and that log is equal to b. So what we're going to do, we're going to make sure that we have this number and this number being the same. Let us manipulate what we have. So we have 27 raised to the log to base 3 of 2. So we can rewrite this 27 as 3 raised to power 3, then log to base 3 of 2. So now we can use the third law of logarithms and take this 3 to the other side, so that we have 3 raised to log to base 3 of 2 power 3. So let us simplify this. So I'm going to have 3 raised to the log base 3 of 2 power 3, that is 8. So now, because these bases are the same, then this log is equal to 8 according to this law. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe.